Hey guys, this is Evewin Lakra. So what I was thinking that many people are actually losing their life on Indian roads, and there are plenty of accidents going on and on and on. And yeah, so I was thinking to make safe riding videos. So in the upcoming days you'll find plenty of short safe riding videos, tips and tricks how to ride and drive safely on Indian roads, because Indian government or the Prasasan is not caring about your life. They are making your life risky on Indian roads because they are busy in other things. And yeah, many people are losing their life and many accidents are happening because of their dumbness. Like they are splitting roads with dividers, excess dividers. चक्कर में मुड़ा दिया हूँ मैं, और ये फालतू रोड फिर डिवाइडर वाला सर्किट हाउस का थिन रोड में वापस आ गया हूँ. पहले अच्छा था, अभी सब बेकार है ग्रिल लगाने के बाद. Speed of your vehicle and control of your vehicle, these are the two things that are interrelated. Okay, speed and control, always remember this thing. If you do overspeeding, you are risking not only your own life but life of other also you're risking. So today you learn speed and control. These are the two things that are interrelated.
थोड़ा व्रूम व्रूम करो.